Welcome to Lylom, the smart and simple way to manage your store, customers, and online presence from one powerful app. Get started by downloading Lylom from the Google Play Store. Install, open, and you're ready to go. Log in securely using your registered mobile number and credentials. Your data stays protected, always. Please enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Just tap Continue with Google to keep going with your Google account. New user? Tap Create Business Profile to create your account. Fill out the form to create a new location. Fill your description with help of AI smoothly. Your listing is ready. Now let's manage your business. You can view all your business details in one place. Here you can update your business cover photos. Here you can update your business logo photo. Here you can update additional photos to showcase your business. Your business images are now live and visible to everyone. Here, you can create posts, events, and offers to attract more customers to your business. Add services, attributes, and track leads with your virtual number. You can track your business performance from here. You can see listing performances like total views, actions, call actions, and more. You can create your own branded microsite to stand out from your competitors. Use smart replies. Or turn on auto reply with ready-made templates. It helps your business look active and available. Reply to your customers' reviews faster and easier than ever. Now, let me help you find your existing location. View all your existing locations here. Get reviews from your customers with a single tap. You can also share and download your business QR code to send to your customers. Lylom puts everything your business needs in one powerful app. Manage fast, respond smart, grow bigger. Connect with us on social media and download the app from the Play Store.